Hello, I'm Adam Ferry, Occupational Therapist and Director of the OT service, and I'm just going to very briefly talk you through one of the questions that we get asked a lot about overbath stretchers, changing tables, and why the Gemini in particular, because of its inbuilt platform, can be used to negate some of those transfers and therefore the need for an additional bit of equipment. If you consider, I've put the Gemini platform bath at roughly my sort of height. As you can see, it continues to go up and down depending on carer height. If we've got the platform in this sort of position, it means that it's a perfect working height for me. It means that two carers of very different heights can use the adjustable feature so that it matches both of their postures. But consider if this platform was also used as that changing table and how that would work. As an occupational therapist myself, I often get involved in the situation from moving and handling assessment where we're going somebody from bed to wheelchair, wheelchair to changing table to wheelchair, wheelchair to bath. In this situation, the person can be prepared for bathing in bed, if that's their preference. They can then go straight onto this table. They can be bathed, washed, dried, changed, lifted, and then the platform can be dried and put back down straight onto it if need be, or the bottom area and the back can be dried from that position and transferred straight back into the wheelchair. So when I've worked this out from a moving and handling risk assessment perspective, there's the potential to actually be cutting out about 6 or 7 different manoeuvres, different hoisting tasks, just from considering the platform as part of that changing table. Now that's not going to be suitable for absolutely everyone, but it's really important that you consider the benefits of that. There is a lot more content around moving and handling and risk assessment on the Abacus Academy website, which I would really encourage you to go and look at. This is simply a snapshot for you to go away and start to consider the use of this as a changing table. Thanks very much for listening.